Welcome back to Land to House. I'm Seth Johnson. So this is day 2, which is actually day 3 of the renovation of this building. I missed last week because I was at Arrow's birthday party. But let me show you what's been done. The walls have now been stripped here of the sheetrock, and we have torn out this back bathroom that was in here, looking pretty good. And they have reframed a couple of rooms over here. So I have to put a doorway in here, and they've got a few more walls to build. That's what we'll be doing today. Walls going to go in here, and then a couple of partitions along the way. And lots of door frames. Got bathrooms going up over there. So it's exciting stuff. So I'm just going to give you a few little clips of this, so hopefully you enjoy this process we're going through. Okay, we're up here on a Tuesday, and this is my day 2, day 3 of the actual build. So we're going to be up here on Saturday to finish up the framing, and then the trades will come in, the HVAC, electrical, and plumbing. So we will kind of be out of here for a little while, come back and get some doors in, but let me walk you around and show you what we finished today. Alright, they were able to get this main wall over here from this column forward. Had to do some pretty interesting work here to get around the beam, and also the lights over here. And here is the main doorway. So they had a bit of a time having to use a sledgehammer up here to knock this wall in place. And then my crew was over here finishing up these bathrooms. This will be the women's room here. We've got this floor pulled up, and then got this divider wall in here. And so stepping through, this is the men's room on this side over here. We got these walls here, and it's a strange angle because we had to have this secondary hallway back here for this other exit. But anyway, we just wrapped up this little wall here, had to adjust for the beam again, and got the doorway right here, so looking pretty good. So next time, we're going to be putting rooms on this side over here. So I think it's going to be one room there, a second room here, and then we'll have a third room back here in the very back. So there'll be a doorway in this space here that you'll walk through and have this in here. We also will have to put in a doorway somewhere in this general area right in here, because we're going to have a walk-in space here that's going to be a storage and community office. So we should have more than enough room in here for that. Okay, that concludes this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's hard to film and work with this crew and be productive. So that's why I just set up the camera and showed you a few little clips. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you would hit that thumbs up button and be sure to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.